Welcome. In this video I will show you how to improve battery life on iPhone 17 Pro. So the first thing that you can do in order to improve your battery life is enable low power mode, because it enables prevents many applications and settings on your phone from draining your battery in many different complex ways. So in order to enable it, you just have to go to settings, then go to battery, then find power mode at the bottom of the menu and switch this toggle to the right. And basically that's enough for improving your battery life, but I understand if you don't want to use this on your phone all the time, so you can switch it off and instead check for the apps that use the most battery on your phone. So go to view all battery usage, and here you'll find the list of apps that use the most, and check which ones use the most of your battery life. Now, as you can see, for me those are settings, photos, camera. So just manage your apps, and if you want some app to if you want to reduce some apps impact on your battery life, then you can either remove it, or you can also disable auto updates for the applications on your phone. And this is actually a good way to improve your battery life, and you can do this by going back to settings and finding the apps menu. Here, go to App Store and disable auto updates by switching this toggle to the left so that it is colored gray. The next thing you can do is turn off background app refresh, and to do this you have to go back to the settings menu, open general section and find a background app refresh. Tap right here and select off, and this way you will disable the background app refresh, which will basically prevent apps from refreshing in the background, which will also improve your battery life. After that, you can reset, you can turn off such things like Wi-Fi and Bluetooth when you're not using them. In order to do this, go to settings, then select your Bluetooth and switch the toggle to the left to turn it off. In the same way, you can disable your Wi-Fi if you don't need it. I currently need it, so I'm gonna leave it like this. And if you're traveling and you don't have access to mobile or Wi-Fi networks, you can switch to the airplane mode, which you can do by swiping down the control center, opening this panel and tapping right here. By the way, you can also enable or disable your Bluetooth and Wi-Fi here. The next thing that drains your battery is your device's display, so I highly recommend lowering screen brightness, which will significantly improve your battery life and will increase your battery lifetime. So to do this, you have to go to display and brightness in settings, and then move the slider to the left as much as you can, basically to the point where you still feel comfortable with using your iPhone. And also in this menu, go to auto lock, and surely don't set it to never. I recommend using 30 seconds or 1 minute value. Well, of course the 30 seconds is the most optimal value for iPhone. This means that your iPhone will automatically turn off the screen after 30 seconds of not being used. Okay, but for this video I'm gonna leave never in here. Other things that you can do to improve your device's battery life is turning off the location services. To do so, you have to go back to settings, then find security and privacy. They're located somewhere at the bottom right here, and then go to location services and switch them off by switching this toggle to the left. I'm gonna turn them back on because I still need them. Okay, and the last thing is push notifications, which also drain your battery, so you can turn them off. And to turn them off, first find the notifications menu on the settings list and open it, and then scroll down to some specific app for which you want to disable notifications. Tap on it and switch the toggle to the left in this app's menu. Okay, and one more thing. If you have a widget or widgets on your lock screen, then you can also remove them to improve your battery life, since the widgets use your battery life in a way that they fetch data all the time, even if your device is locked. So in order to reduce their impact on your battery life, you just have to hold your finger down on your lock screen, then enter your passcode if prompted, then select Customize, open the Widgets menu or tap on the Widgets menu, and remove the widgets that you don't need by tapping the minus icon in the top left corner of the widget. And the last tip to improve your battery life is always put your iPhone upside down. So put it with the screen to the with its display to the bottom, because this also improves your battery life. Of course, I mean, do it when you're not using your iPhone. So if you're not using your iPhone, I highly recommend this one useful tip to put it face down. And that's basically all the tips for this video. Thank you for watching it. If you liked it, consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like in the comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.